Joining us now on the supermarket guru, Phil Lempert. Phil, thanks so much for coming on. And basically, Phil, does this probe signal that something fishy is going on with grocery prices, and what might that be?
Absolutely, Natasha. What we've really seen over the past 3 years is an increase of actually 25% on our grocery bill. That's number one. Number two, let's not forget that the FTC is also trying to block the Kroger-Albertsons merger. That would make, history if that actually happens. So you've got that, you've got high grocery prices, and frankly, you've got consumers that every time they go to the grocery store, they're very upset about what the prices are. Now, part of that has to do with nature. If we look at bird flu, for example, where we had over 65 million hens that had to be culled, the price of eggs went up to over $7. Well, that's come down, but when we look at the profit margins, as you point out, of supermarkets, they're the highest that they've ever been. Supermarkets used to work on about 1.5% net profit. It's gone up, and there's also attorney generals from like Connecticut that frankly have launched their own investigations in their own states.
Is this illegal? Is there anything legally that prevents grocery stores from just marking things up, blaming inflation, oh, bird flu, oh, bad crop, drought, nature, and meanwhile, they're just raking in more and more profits?
Nothing illegal here. Basically, you can mark up whatever you want, and it's up to the consumer to really decide if they want to buy it. But keep in mind that today we've got more choices. Consumers can go to more different stores than ever before. They can shop online. So we've got to be smart about how much money we're spending as well.
Certainly, certainly, we have more choices. We have to be smart. If the FTC does find something in this investigation, what comes next for the stores? What is the impact?
Well, they will find it. There's no question about it. The grocery costs have gone up. If you take a look that during the pandemic, where they had to put in all those, plastic barriers, and they had to clean the carts, and they had to do all that, their costs did go up. The question that the FTC has is, now that those costs are gone, why haven't prices come down? And especially for the public grocery companies, it's going to be real easy for them to see where the money has gone.
So bottom line, do you believe that grocery stores will begin lowering prices in the upcoming months?
Yes, we've already seen that. Target has announced it. Walmart has announced it, where they're rolling back prices. They're really feeling that consumers are upset, they're annoyed, they're angry, and if they want to keep those customers, they've got to lower prices.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.